This is a 2009 Lexus RX350. The problem is that the backup camera seems to have quit working. So I'm going to put it in reverse. I just get a message. It says check surroundings for safety and a blank screen. But if I go back to the regular radio, nav, all the other screen functions work properly. So I suspect that the backup camera is busted. The backup camera is located right up here next to the license plate. So in this video, I'm going to replace it. I'm going to use this aftermarket backup camera that I got on Amazon, and I'll include a link for it in the video description. This is supposed to be a direct fit. Let's see how well it works. This is the plastic trim that is on the inside of the tailgate, and I did not even need any tools to pull it off. I just pried it off and tugged on it, and it came right off. Now I'm looking from the inside with the tailgate down and the panel off, and this is the location of the camera right here. The connector for the camera is right behind this panel. It's right here. I'm gonna pull it off and see if it matches the one on the new camera. These are the connectors side by side for the new camera, and the old one looks like a pretty close match. Let's see if it works. It plugged right in. It looks like the only tool I'm going to need for this installation is this 10mm socket on a ratchet with an extension. And it's just going to undo the two 10mm bolts, one on each side of the camera. I spoke too soon. There are 3 more bolts. They are the nuts that hold the exterior plate above the license plate, and I have to loosen them up a little bit so that the camera can come out. Now for the moment of truth. I'm going to put it in reverse and let's see what happens. There we go. It's a nice, bright, colorful image. I'm going to have to test it for night vision. But it seems to be working okay. There are no guidelines on this. And to be honest, I don't recall if the original camera had guidelines on it or not. So now I'm giving it a test to see how it looks in a dimly lit parking lot. And I think you can see that it's even recognizing the color of the brakes as I'm backing up. This camera cost me just over $100 with free shipping. So I think for the money, and if it does hold up, it's a pretty good value. And we'll find out. I'll report back on how it performs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.